Markets are sending mixed signals today as investors weigh competing narratives. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete Forex market briefing for July 6th. Currency markets are being driven by a complex mix of central bank policy, geopolitical risk, and shifting growth expectations. Let us break it all down. Here is a snapshot of how the major currency pairs are trading today. Euro to US dollar is trading at 1.14, losing 0.06% on the session. The world's most traded pair is driven by ECB versus Fed rate differentials. The move in the dollar reflects reports that European stocks rally to cap best week since May, markets wrap. Pound sterling to US dollar is trading at 1.33, losing 0.03% on the session. Sterling is highly sensitive to UK inflation data and Bank of England rate guidance. The move in the dollar reflects reports that Ether leads cryptos hold above key levels as Bitcoin steadies over $63,000. US dollar to Japanese yen is trading at 162.32, gaining 0.54% on the session. Dollar yen tracks the US-Japan rate differential and Bank of Japan intervention risk. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. USD SGD is trading at 0.7729, losing 0.08% on the session. The Singapore dollar reflects Asian FX sentiment, trade flows, and MAS monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Kevin Warsh declines to signal July rate decision at ECB Sintra Forum, QZ.com. Australian dollar to US dollar is trading at 0.6933, gaining 0.24% on the session. The Aussie dollar closely tracks commodity prices, especially iron ore, and Chinese growth signals. Equity markets are responding to reports that FOMC minutes, SpaceX joins NASDAQ 100, crypto week ahead. US dollar to Chinese yuan is trading at 0.1472, losing 0.05% on the session. The onshore yuan reflects PBOC daily fixings, US-China trade dynamics, and capital flow controls. The move in the dollar reflects reports that European stocks rally to cap best week since May, markets wrap. US dollar to Indian rupee is trading at 95.39, losing 0.14% on the session. The Indian rupee tracks RBI monetary policy, FII and FPI capital flows, and US-India interest rate differentials. The move in the dollar reflects reports that Ether leads cryptos hold above key levels as Bitcoin steadies over $63,000. Now let us look at the macro forces behind today's currency moves. On the geopolitical front, this comes as stock market today, Japan's Nikkei and South Korea's Kospi rally as tech shares rebound economy Middle East, adding pressure to energy markets. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Investor sentiment is being shaped by US job creation calls in June with payrolls growth of just 57,000, unemployment rate at 4.2%. The move in the dollar reflects reports that European stocks rally to cap best week since May, markets wrap. The move in the dollar reflects reports that Ether leads cryptos hold above key levels as Bitcoin steadies over $63,000. Our near-term view on US dollar to Japanese yen. With US dollar to Japanese yen moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $166.38 level above and $158.26 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Currency markets can move fast and unexpectedly. Central bank surprises, geopolitical shocks, and data prints are the key risks to monitor. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We do the research so you do not have to hours of analysis distilled into actionable daily briefings. If that is valuable, please hit the like button. It is the single best way to support independent market analysis and help us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for tomorrow's briefing. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your Forex briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily currency coverage.